Welcome to lesson 17 of Python programming language. In this video, we'll study branching and decision statement, ternary. The plan, basic syntax as usual, followed by some properties, and then a small working program or script. The syntax is simple. It returns this expression 1 if expression 2 is true, else expression 3. So these expressions can be any expressions which evaluate to numerical value. Okay, these expression 2 has to evaluate to a numerical value. If it is 0, if it evaluates to 0, that is false, then it will return expression 3. Otherwise, it will return expression 1. So if true, so it returns expression 1 if this is true, else it returns this. Okay, so simple, it replaces this. So you can say somehow when we read it, it does not appear to be like ternary operator of C or C++, but it is equivalent to that operator itself. So the example being single statement print odd. So it will return or it will print odd if this expression is true. So suppose num1 is some integer %2. So if the integer is odd, this operation, mod operation, will result in 1, which is true. So this line would print odd. If it is an even number, it will print even. So let us see some small working program on the left hand side. I will execute it. Ternary. So here it is the standard shebang line. So as I recall, this input, type in an integer, typing an integer. So it has printed this prompt and it is waiting for me. And I repeat, whenever we read something from keyboard, it is always read as character string. So from that character string, we have to obtain integer. So this is the way we do it. Okay. Print negative if num1 is less than 0, else positive. In another form, another variable, so it will return, it will assign square of this number if this mod operation is true. Otherwise, it will have the cube. So double star in Python is for exponentiation and it will print this. So let me first type in some number, maybe 5. So what has it done? It has printed positive because value provided here was, here it is not less than 0. So it is not negative, so it prints positive. So it prints positive here. And since it is 5, so this operation results in 1, which is true. So this would be used. So square of 5 is 25. So it prints 25. Let me execute it once more. Let it be -3, suppose. So this is less than 0. So it says negative. So it prints negative. And since it is odd number, okay, so again it prints square. So square of -3 is 9. So it prints 9. So it is a simpler way of printing the values depending on the ternary. So here, unlike C or C++, where ternary operator, we do have a ternary operator, But in Python, we do not have any ternary operator. It is another form of if else being used in a statement. In the next video, we will study loops. There are two kinds of loops, for and while loop. Okay, so we'll study for loop in the next video. That is all in this video. Thanks for watching.